Smash that like button and subscribe
White noise. I don't like echo or reverb. Let me make sure this is turned up. Alright. Now, see, we don't have the speaker, so I think it just said Holly. Right, now I gotta plug this into the, there goes that ball again. I haven't plugged the headphones in. I hope you guys will help us answer questions here. Wait a minute. There goes that ball. Hold on. Let me try to turn it back on. Yep, that's what was the matter. The battery was too dead. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, I hear it. Now remember, Jess, don't ask him in order. You know what to do, right? Okay. All right, ask a question low to see if I can hear it.
Can you say the name of this furnace?
I'm going to turn the sweep rate up a little bit. Hold on, Jess. I don't know if you asked, because I couldn't hear, but I'm trying to mess with the sweep rate. Look, both balls are going off. Both balls. Are you ready for this, guys? You're going to help us answer questions? Oh. All right, I'm going to... Okay, Jess. Well, hold on. All right, start now.
Can you say the name of this furnace? What's her name?
Thought I heard Harley. Come on, you guys. Help me get answers. Talk to me through this.
Did you help her?
Something close. Now that's a bug. Or a moth. I heard one of them. Ball. I just heard ball.
What year was this furnace built?
Here. I heard here. Hurry.
Sorry, guys. How old are you?
I'm hearing some stuff, but I can't quite make it out. Please come through this and help me hear you. Okay. I just heard okay.
Will any of you speak with us using the pendulum?
I just heard leave.
Okay, that's the answer to that one. Do you like us being here?
Does he smoke? I think I just heard, does he smoke?
And she's got a cigarette sitting on the bed. So that could be pretending to that. Which of our communication devices do you like the best?
I heard 50, as in 50.
No way.
You should ask. I have no idea. Oh, wow.
Coffee.
I think I heard close again. CLOSE, I think.
Which of our light up devices do you like the best?
My eyes are watering. I just heard phantom, as in PHANTOM. I think that's how you spell it. Love it.
Wow.
Crazy chicken.
What the fuck?
I just fucking heard crazy chicken. They must be watching Roadhog stream. Okay.
That's amazing. What year did you pass away?
11.
Do you have a message for someone?
I'm here. It said I'm here. A woman said no. Something's in motion. I couldn't make out the first part, but it says something's in motion. There's more.
How many people lost their lives at this furnace?
Get it? I'm not sure if it said get it. my V20, it was at 19% and it all of a sudden shut off when I was getting activity there. The last thing I heard was 3. I can't have the speaker hooked up too. There goes the balls, both of them again. Oh my God, guys, thank you. Is my flash on? No, it's
I
not.
asked, were you happy hearing it? And then right after I asked that, it said, love it.
Love it.